So this is the most beautiful, softest summer top I have. This is from the Lady So collection. This is the material is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Gives elasticity. It is soft, comfy, of course, you know. So you have it in extra large, US 16 width and 16 width, 14 width to 16 width. Okay, so the top can be is about 44 bust and 29.5 length. You can see this lacing detail, so elegant, so soft, so skin friendly. When you do wash this, please wash it and wash it in cold or by machine in gentle and hang to dry. You can see it covers my belly area, and when I stretch out my hand, my belly doesn't show, and also it is stretchy and it gives a lot of room. And I love the pleated front and the lacing design, and the end feels so loose, it doesn't feel tight against my body, and it's absolutely beautiful.